Hi guys, alright, so today we are going for a
Water rafting!
Alright, and we are at Ubud. And after water rafting, where are we going?
Waterfall! Waterfall!
Oh,
What is it called?
Uh,
It's called the Gunungan Waterfall. Alright, so let's go.
Panggil biadab. Brengsek.
Ini saiz yang paling besar ya Pak?
Lu jaga ya? Lu jaga ya? Brengsek.
So untuk hari ini kita akan pecah kepada dua grup. Satu 3 pack, satu lagi 4 pack. Boleh. Ya.
dapat dia orang agak.
Alright guys, so right now we are at the rice terrace. Okay, and over here they have a lot of coffee places such as the Loooog Coffee and also Bali Swing. What else is here?
Cocoa tree.
And also pineapple plant. So right now we are trying at the coffee. They have a lot of coffee here. This is Roselle tea. I suka.
Okey lah.
Rasa tanah.
Ha, rasa baju.
Sedap ni. Banyak kita dapat semua.
The winner.
Hi guys, so we are at the Paddy Terrace with all the Bali swings and everything. But right now we are doing the coffee tasting, and they have a lot of coffee over here. Makan Listerine. Suka ke tak? Tak suka? Nope.
So the winner is
No.